at midday. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. The Virgin Maria, surrounded by light, God's mother is ours, for she gives us this sight. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. The world was then suffering from war, plague, and strife, and Portugal mourned for her great loss of life. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. 2, 3 shepherd children the Virgin then spoke, a message so hopeful with peace for all folk. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. With sweet mother's pleading, she asked us to pray, do penance, be modest, the rosary each day. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. All Portugal heard what God's mother did say, converted, it sings of that queen to this day. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. So all must remember Our Lady's request, do all that she asks for, obey her bequests. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. She warned of behavior from which we must turn, of thoughts, words, and actions which Christians must spurn. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. To her sad sweet pleading our promise is made, that God's law in all things be strongly obeyed. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. From nation to nation her fair name is praised, as souls from sin's bondage are contritely raised. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. Our thanks to the Godhead whose ways are so sure, for giving us Mary, our Mother most pure. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. Our thoughts overflowing with kindness and love, thank her for God's graces bestowed from country's protectress, O Canada's way.